This video is to provide instructions on how to complete the benefits enrollment form. This first page of the form will show you how to complete the form electronically, as well as how to submit it to our benefits coordinator mentioned in step 2. However, we are accepting the form physically as well if you did want to bring it by and drop it off at our front desk. Our office is open 8 to 5 every day, Monday through Friday, and we'd be more than happy to accept it whenever you swing by. Onto the first page of the form in section A, there will be 3 boxes you'll definitely want to go ahead and mark. Those 3 boxes are going to be the staff box, new enrollment box, and the name box. All other boxes in this section you'll want to go ahead and mark as they are applicable to you. And then in section B, there will only be 2 boxes you'll be required to complete. Those 2 boxes being the date of event box, which will be your start date, and then the new hire box under reasons for enrollment change. All other boxes in this section, you'll want to go ahead and mark as they're applicable to you as well. And then in section C, this will be where you'll go ahead and fill out your benefits, or what benefits you'd like to enroll into. The first section of the section C that we have contains our medical providers. We have them split up between our PPO plans and our HMO plans, with our PPO plans being a little more expensive, but you have more accessibility with who you can go to with this coverage versus the HMO plans, which are a little cheaper than the PPO plans, but they are more restricted with who you can go to, and that's the primary designation with how we have our plans split up. But you'll go ahead and just mark whichever plan that you wanted to opt for. Same with dental. We have 1 PPO plan for dental, 1 HMO plan for dental. You'll just want to go ahead and mark whichever of the 2 that you would want. Something worth mentioning is that dental is at no additional cost to you or to any of your dependents, so it's entirely free. Or if you already have medical and or dental coverage, you could instead opt for FlexCash enrollment, which FlexCash enrollment is the university paying you for already having that existing medical and or dental coverage. And the amount shown in parentheses next to each box that you can check will show you how much will be added onto your paycheck each month for already having that specified coverage. And if you do select FlexCash, you'll just want to make sure that you list the name of the insurance company as well as your group number with them. And then if the plan is under your spouse, you'll want to include their social security number as well. The next section of the form, dependent information, you'll want to go ahead and follow the instructions listed in this section if you are going to be adding anyone onto your plan, such as your spouse and or child. This will let you know what sort of additional documentation you'll need to provide in addition to submitting this form. And then the last section of the form, section E, is a section where you'll go ahead and list everyone who will be on the plan, including yourself. So you'll just want to go ahead and fill in each of the prompted boxes with the information specified, and then add everyone else as well. And at the very bottom of the form, there is a place for you to sign and date, and then you'll go ahead and be able to submit it virtually, or again, we are accepting it in person as well. But if you do have any questions or concerns about anything listed or mentioned on this form, I definitely recommend reaching out to our benefits coordinator, and they'll be able to answer any of your questions or concerns.